back to the pond video time, and in this video I will be showing you how to make a really simple Taipy app in Python. So Taipy is basically same for Streamlit, but it is mainly used to manage data in a web application. Now this video is totally for beginners. That means I will just be showing you like how you can have a set of data and then you can put it into your Taipy app. So let's get started. Okay, so the first thing you need to do is from Taipy import GUI. So this will be importing the GUI from Taipy basically. So sorry, it's like that. Okay, after that we are going to be getting some simple data, so display, so simple data. So I'm just going to be creating a basic dictionary. So data is equal to a dictionary, and then name is name is, let's put it into a list, and we are just going to be adding Alice, Bob, and Katie. So these are the three names that we are going to be using. Now after that, let's put up an age. So age, and now inside the age I am going to be putting in 25, 30 and 19 for example. And now lastly, I'm going to be putting in the city they live in. So city is, let's say Singapore, New York, and just another random city. Let's just type in Cyprus. So these are the city that they live in. Now, how are we supposed to convert this data into a simple GUI table inside Taipy? So we got the data here and we got imported Taipy. So the first thing we're going to be needing to do is to create the GUI layout. So to do that, we are going to be going into layout, and then it's equal to simple Taipy app. Now the first thing we're going to be needing to do, and the only thing we're going to be needing to do, is that we will put this, and then after that we are going to be putting in data. So data table, and that's it. So this is what we're going to be adding. So this basically puts your data into a really simple table that you can customize to make into a bar graph and other things later on. So now GUI is equal to GUI, so page is equal to layout. Okay, now the last thing we're going to be needing to do is to run our GUI. So GUI.run. So now this is how you can convert simple data into a simple GUI in Taipy. Let's run this by clicking the run button. Now it usually takes some time. Starting the server. And now you can see that it has simple Taipy app written here. And you have your name, age, city, Alice, Bob, KT, age 25, 1319. You can even change the rows per page. You can even do how many pages you want and other things. So I hope you like this simple tutorial about Taipy. I hope you like and subscribe. And in the next video, I will do a continued version of this video. Thank you and see you in the next one. Bye-bye.